my name is Jennifer Newberry with Illinois Extension in Franklin County, and I'm with the SNAP Education Program, and I'm going to share a recipe with you today, and it's something that you can make with your family, and I hope you enjoy it.
Before we start any recipe, we want to make sure that we wash our hands really well for about 20 to 30 seconds, and we're ready to cook. The first thing that we want to do with any fruit is we want to make sure that we wash the apple, because we are going to leave the peeling on the apple. And then we're going to cut up the apple. We're going to make sure that we have a level area to work with, and then we're going to slice it into really thin slices for our apple crisp recipe. So we want to make sure we get the core out. In order for it not to brown, we're going to put it in a lemon juice mixture. So for the apple crisp, we're going to preheat our oven to 375. I'm going to spray the pan. So once I get the apple sliced and in the pan, in a small bowl, I'm going to combine the oatmeal, 1/4 of a cup of the instant oatmeal, 1/4 of a cup of the flour, and 1/3 of a cup of the brown sugar. I'm going to mix all that together, and then I'm also going to add 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm going to mix all of that together along with 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of the nutmeg. And that's going to be for the topping. I'm going to put that over the topping over the apples, and then I'm going to bake it in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. And this is our finished product. We made apple crisp today. I hope you enjoy it.